Today we're going to bring a solar light sign, and this is great for those people that are selling the house or want to promote their business and you don't want to spend money on actually lighting up the actual sign. This is one way you can do it. So let's open it up and see what you get. But just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for the review. So let's take a look at it. Instructions how to set this up, and the mount itself. Okay, the mount itself, you can actually mount it from the here in the back. Now they give you a couple of options. If you guys know, there's a clip, and this is a thin clip, but if you want to bypass that, you can do that and then mount it your own way. Now this has to be sticking up where the actual solar panel, and if you're going to notice, it's weatherproof. This is made for rain, shine, and snow, and pretty much every kind of weather in here. On and off button, very simple. On and off button. It does have a day to night mode that it does remember. So if I put it down, it's going to turn on automatically, and then we turn it off, of course. Now they do give you additional screws, and these screws could actually be could be kind of pretty much for anything. You know, it could be for drywall and then wood and then other fixtures. And of course, they give you actually additional screws entries that you can do. So one could be mounted in the back of the system, and this also could be mounted into the thicker part of the wood of the actual sign. So it doesn't have to be this clip. This clip is only for thin little papers or thin little plastics that you want to do, but you can actually set this up in any one. And if you guys know it, they give you like a little additional connection right here, one for the entry and one for could be for any kind of fixture that you want to set up this actual light. Right, so the first screws will go in here, and then the second one will be, like I said, in any kind of fixture. So put it to use. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.